All right, guys, so what we have on the floor is a whole 10-speed conversion kit. Anyone that's converting over from an electronic version over to a mechanical version. So in this case, this customer has an early Bronco, first-gen Bronco. They have a late model 10-speed, 10R80 that's being mated up to a Godzilla, or it could be the case where a late model Coyote as well. They want to go with a floor shifter with a mechanical setup. The late model ones are all electronic. So in order to do that, you need to change out the valve body and get all the proper linkages to make it out of work. That's what this kit entails. Get a little closer here. So the big thing here is that the valve body is going to have to be switched out. This is the entire valve body for a later model, let's say 18 through 20. So it's not going to be just a bolt-in part. There's going to be some work involved, so you do need to have some mechanical skills. But if you are planning on switching over to a floor shifter, you want to make it mechanical, this would be the way to go. You're going to have the floor shifter, the pigtail, the cable, the whole valve body assembly with all the related parts, the shift linkage, the rod, the pieces, and the wiring instructions. So we'll have this listed on our website, tdmotion.com.